Hello friends, today I'm working on an AEG dryer. The small belt is broken on it. So to take the top cover off, there's one screw here, one screw there. The top panel slides out and comes off. There's a couple 7mm screws, 7mm bolt. You use it, take that out, and then there's one bolt goes over there. We open that and this comes out. This panel comes out and lifts up. And a small belt goes here, just here. And to replace it, you take that large belt out. Make sure that this area is clean. Clean it with a brush or something. This brush. This bolt, the bolt goes like that. I think it's hard to do it with one hand, but I'll try. Okay, you can put the phone down maybe. Okay. And to replace this belt, you have to lift up the motor a little bit, just like that. The unit is fixed. That panel goes first, this piece goes, the screw goes on the side, and all the screw goes on the side, on the back side, and then the front panel comes on. Thank you for watching my videos. If you guys have any questions, please comment below.